I can't believe I gotta see. Go on, Petey. Go cry to the teacher. Tell them I was nasty to you.
Shut up, Gary. You're such a jerk, man.
Oh, am I, Petey? Oh, you're so cutting. I'm really upset. Actually, I think I'm gonna go cry. Then I'd be just like you. Cry, little girl. Oh, look out. Here comes Jimmy.
Just knock it off, Gary. You're out of line.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't realize I was hanging out in the girls' dorm. Silly me.
Shut up, man. You're boring.
Boring? I'm boring. You're none too interesting yourself, friend. Look, I'm sorry, both of you. I apologize, okay? I just get a little overexcited. Forgive me.
Forget it. It's cool.
Anyway, I've got a good idea for some fun. Let's go out and torment someone really helpless and unfortunate. That homeless guy. Come on. You coming, little Petey? Come on, I'm sorry. I'll give you a kiss if that's what you want.
Shut up.
Then come on. This is gonna be fun.
Harassing some old homeless guy is fun.
It is. And you should be grateful you're not the victim for once.
I guess.
Does my breath
Jimmy,
stink?
tell me about this
I hope
guy.
my breath doesn't
Does he like to
stink.
go in his own pants?
He wouldn't be so...
Come here, you like that crane? Come on, girl. Get closer.
You're real losers. Here's
Look at the
hoping
pipsqueak go! Wow! You really are.
Here's hoping someone gets badly hurt. You're both idiots.
I'm gonna make you the laughing stock. Come on now.
You're real losers. Here's hoping someone gets badly hurt.
The time has come for me to show my true colors. You can kill me, but the gears keep turning. You're gonna hate me.
Come on now.
You're real losers. You're both idiots.
You're pathetic.
Here's hoping someone gets badly hurt.
Got any more?
You're real losers.
I'm gonna give you something to tell your therapist. Where is this dirty old perv?
You know, you're not very nice, Gary.
And you're a loser, Petey. One of life's unfortunates.
Get out of here, you little scum!
So I guess the rumors are true, Jimmy. Your dad does live on campus. You jerk! Ow! Let's leave this guy to his welfare payments. Come on, let's get out of here.
Just get out of here, kid.
Why should I?
Because otherwise I'll kill you.
What's your problem?
That's a long story. You got any liquor?
No, I'm 15.
Well, what about drugs?
No!
Then why shouldn't I kill you?
All right then, tough guy, kill me.
You know what, kid? I like your style. You got guts. When I was on that ridge in Korea, watching my buddies get killed by friendly fire, I could have used somebody like you.
Yeah? Thanks.
But I bet you can't fight. You do me a favor, and I'll show you some real moves. Classified moves. Real special army stuff.
Cool.
Just get me a part for my radio, and I'll show you what the army taught me.
What, like how to get shot by your own side?
Exactly.
Just what I was looking for.
some of those new bike moves.
I just broke up with my chick, and I'm gonna take it all out on your face.
Not too bad. Now, what to do with this?
You're not allowed to fight. I'm trying to tell on you.
Thanks, kid. You're one of the good ones. I learned this one from this crazy guy I served with. Yeah, okay. You've never... Yeah, that's right, kid. Put your heart into it. You're just a damn drunk. Don't forget to bring me a transistor when you come back.
I think we can call that a wrap. Just wanted to show you I care.
Oh, Jimmy, that's so nice of you.
I've been wanting to do this for a while.
You're so bad.
Watch and learn, suckers! There we
Boy is a booze hound. I didn't believe it at first.
Ew.
Oh, so you're the new kid, huh? Everyone is talking about you.
Oh, are they? And what are they saying?
Nothing. Just that you're friends with that sociopath Gary.
Socio what?
Sociopath, it means... Never mind. Forget I said anything. I need you to help me.
Wait, you need me to help you?
I've got some library books that need to be returned, but I'm too scared to go to my locker.
Do I look like a librarian?
No, listen. I need your help. Pretend we're friends. Walk with me. I'll pay... I'll pay you $2.
$2? Are you crazy? Make it 5.
No. $2?
Great. $5. Let's go, buddy.
I've been thinking a lot about snails recently. They're slimy.
Hey, my friend. Salutations.
Good day. Do you really have to pee when you get nervous? I do. I get nervous a lot.
Hey, Algernon, I heard you wet your bed again. Just you wait. You'll be sorry. You want to see assertive? I'll get
I
revenge.
really have to pee, but I'm scared. Will you please stand watch? Last time I went in there, they made me eat a urinal puck. Oh, those guys are bad. Oh, we should go another way. Help me!
Stick frogs rock.
Help me! Help! Help me, Jimmy!
When I'm done with you, your jaw's gonna be wide shut. You'll be eating through a straw.
You just
You wanna
bumped into
see me
me.
lose it?
Huh?
Huh, Dad? I'm in your dad's choice. I'll break every bone in your scrawny little body, chump. Hey, I'm not the speed of a leopard. I'm gonna catch up.
I've already wet myself once this month. If I do it again, they'll never let me hear the end of it.
I don't ever want to graduate and give up being a prefect.
Stop! Cover me! I'm going in! Hey! Were there 2 people in that stall?
Said they went into the bathroom.
No more minutes! Guys, keep it down! I can't concentrate!
You got something on your face.
Having fun? Oh man! Now everyone's gonna start
likes condiments. I mean, they're like somebody told me to always wash my hands. I feel much better now.
I can't tell Mom about that at all. She'd be so
I
mad.
should abuse my authority and pick on someone innocent.
Hi. Oh, Jimmy.
Here it is. Thanks, Jimmy. Here's the cash. I'll tell my mom that not everyone at Bullworth is mean. That's it?